Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wonderful creative friends. Welcome to another exciting episode on this tutorial or on this channel. In this episode, we are going to design this beautiful church flyer or social media handle church flyer design, in which I call it Help Me, Oh Lord. It's a church flyer. And guys, if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly stick around and then let's go through the tutorials one after the other. And then guys, at the end of the tutorials, I'm going to share with you this premium mockup I use for the design, or I use for the mockup, and then including the text and 3D text effect is also a premium text effect I bought online, and I will share all with you. So guys, if this seems to be interesting, kindly stick around and then let's go through the tutorial step by step. Please subscribe, like and share for me. So without wasting much time, let's launch the Photoshop. So you launch the Photoshop and then Control N to open a new document and use a custom settings and then type the name, social media banner or poster, blah blah blah. The settings is 2000 by 2000, resolution 300 pixel per inch, RGB color, 8-bit, transparent background, and then that is it. You click on create, and then you have this nice interface like this. So let's begin with the background. So go to the resource file, drag this and drop it into Photoshop, and then wait for it to load. Good. So wait for it to load and scale it up like this to cover at least the entire screen, something like this. Not bad. Drag it up like this and then enter to check it. Good. Now the next thing again is to go to the resource file and drag this, still working on the background, and then send it up. Still drag this up, Control T, and then transform it to cover the entire screen. Good. Now let's go to the blending option and set it to something. Let's go through it and see. So you set it to linear bend. I think linear bend is okay, and then reduce the opacity to somewhere 50. Let's see. I think 50 is too huge, so 20 is not bad at all. Now let's set a color, solid color for the background, the main background, and change it to black, and then drag this up. Good. Now we are still moving, so click on the rectangle tool and draw a beautiful rectangle beneath somewhere like this. Good. And then let's use a gradient code for it. So go to this and select gradient overlay. Now let's pick our hex code. I think it's here. Ctrl C to copy it, and then go to this side. Ctrl V to paste it, and then go to this side as well, and then copy this. Ctrl V to paste it. Better. Now let's take here to Z. Better, so click this on it, and then drag it to this side. Good. So everything here is okay. Then click on create. Better. Now the next thing is, I think we must group all this thing together and call it BG. So Ctrl G and call it the background. Good. So we are done with the background for the meantime. Maybe we'll return back and do some stuff on it. Now the next thing is to import the text effect, which is this. Drag it into Photoshop. I've already worked on the text effect and I've saved the PSD file. That's why I'm dragging it straight forward like that. So wait for it to load. Good. So now it's downloading. So you scale it down, something like this, not bad, and then position it here, meaning the image at the background must go up. So use the arrow key to shift it up, something like this. It's okay. Then still close it and then push this up a bit. Better still, the image must go up. Good. And then the 3D text must go up too. Oh no, it's too up. Better. Now this, create layer mask and then click in the thumbnail and go to B on the keyboard and then clear this side a bit. Good. Clear this side. Better. V on the keyboard to move it back. And then the next thing is to work on more text. So select this, Ctrl C, and then T on the keyboard to activate the text tool and hit here. Okay, so it's there. Ctrl V to paste it and then reduce the size. It's too huge. Let's say 20, and 20 is okay. For the meantime, 20 is okay. Maybe you get back and then do more adjustments. So clear this portion away. Good. Yeah, there. Yeah, moving. So then the next details is this. Ctrl C to copy it and then drag this side down and then double click it and Ctrl V to paste it. Better. Now we change the font from Poppins to what font did I use? I think this, Contracts. Good. So that is the font I use. And then uncheck this side. Good. And then reduce the size to, let's say, 10. Good. Now let's close the leading small. It's too wide. And see. Good. Now let's go to the paragraph side and then bring it to the left. Good. Now I think we need to change the color to somewhere black and then position it at the center like this. Not too bad. Ctrl A and then center it. Ctrl D to deselect it. Good. I think good. So that's set. Go to the rectangle tool again and draw a nice rectangle here like this. And then when we are there, we set another gradient code for it. So FX and then gradient overlay. Let's pick the hex code, which is this. Ctrl A to select it and then move to this side. Ctrl V to paste it there like that, and then that side too. Let's pick the hex code. Ctrl C to copy it and then Ctrl V to paste it. Good. So that size set to, let's say, 90. Good. And then you pull it up a bit like this. Good. It's awesome now. And click on OK. So it's set, and then you pick the theme. Ctrl C to copy it T on the keyboard and then hit here Ctrl V to paste it. Good. Now let's see. Good. Ctrl T to select it again and turn it this side and change here to 90. Better. 90 set, and then close here and then select this and press Ctrl and hit this side to select the rectangle, V on the keyboard and center and align with it. Good. Ctrl D to deselect and change the color to something white. Good. It's okay. I think the font size is small, so let's check it to 15 and see. Good. So still Ctrl A to select it. Center and align. Ctrl D to deselect it. Good. Select the two, Ctrl J to duplicate it, and then push it to this side, which is awesome now. And then let's see if we can turn the gradient. Double click it and then turn it to reverse. Good. Better. Push it here like this. It's okay. Okay, like that. Good. Now the next thing is maybe we put these things into group. Good. Put this and that selected. Ctrl J and call it the theme. So the background is set, the theme is set. Now I left with date, time, and a few details. Good. So go here, rectangle 2 selected, draw a nice rectangle like this, and then the color should be something white like that. Good. And then again, the rectangle 2 selected again, we are going to draw a very thin rectangle line like this. Better. And change the color to white. Good. I think maybe it's too big, or should be very thin. I think this is awesome. Good. Ctrl J to duplicate it and push it down using the arrow key. Good. So work on the time, T on the keyboard and hit here Ctrl V to paste the time and change the color to black. Not too black, like that. Something closer to this. And then V on the keyboard and push it here. Change the font from Poppins. I think it has activated the Poppins, and then we change it to good contracts. Good. Now scale it up. Let's scale it up. It's too small. Better. And then hold Alt and drag it to the side, and then let's go and copy the name of the church. Control double click it. Ctrl V to paste it, and then let's change it to color white so that to be visible. Good. Then bring it to this side. Better. Now the next thing is this. Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl J to duplicate this one and push it down using the arrow keys. Yes, push it down. I think it's awesome now. Double click inside and then Ctrl V to paste it and change the font from contrast to Poppins. That is okay. Uncheck this and then take caps out and then check here to 10. Let's test it. 10 is too small, so let's test 15 and see. I think 15 should be better now. So drag it down a bit like this. Awesome. And then that is it. So this is the time, and then maybe if you have other details like the social media handles and other things, you can post them beneath. So this and this becomes our time. So time and maybe location. Good. So that is the time and location worked on. Now we are going to left with the date. Yes, a date. So the same side, to copy this, Control C to copy it, T on the keyboard and paste here, Control V to paste it. Now let's change it from this side, and then from poppings to contrast. I think I use contrast, yes, and then it's caps, better. So push it here, and then copy this to Control C to copy it, and then drag it down, Control J to copy it, and then push it down. Once you get the size you want, you leave it there, double click inside and then select it, Control V to paste it. Good. Let's close the lid and it's too wide. So close it, close it, close it. I think 15 too big, so let's test 10. I think 10 is awesome. 10 is okay. Then we select this side, maybe no, better still, maybe let's select all. Good. Control C to copy it, and then double or drag this side down, double click it and then paste it, Control V to paste it. Very good. So push it up like that. Now let's draw a rectangle beneath it. Good. I think this is awesome. And let's use this. No. Maybe let's test a different. Okay, then let's see if we can change this side to this. Good. I think this is okay now. And then push this and this down a bit. Good. Now with the BG, there is something we needed to add. So go to the lens flare and drag the lens flare into the BG, then reduce the size, something like this, and push it up here. And then go to the blending option and see. I think this is not bad, but let's test them and see. I think let's push it up and see. I think this is okay. I'll bring it here. So just be testing and position it. This is awesome now. It's awesome now. It's awesome now. It's awesome now. And then maybe in case you have other details in which you want to add it to the flyer, then something like maybe a lot of information like a pictures or image or any other things in which you have for the purpose of this tutorial. This is what we have so far. So guys, this is how to design this simple but very attractive social media handle flyer in Photoshop. And please subscribe to my channel. My channel statistics is we have about close to almost 300 plus videos with 390 subscribers. Guys, as I've said, we need to hit 1K at the end of March and we are in February now. So please, the only thing you can do to help or to support me is to subscribe to my channel, comment, and then let's grow this channel together. I'll see you in the next tutorial. I love you. Bye for now.